Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US EIA crude oil stocks change will be released at 16 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Italy's consumer confidence at 8 GMT. Spain's retail sales will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's consumer confidence index at 5 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Sterling was steady against the dollar, hovering near Monday's three-year high as it continued to be supported by favourable economic data last week, as well as Britain's recent trade deals. Oil prices gained on supply concerns as OPEC Plus agreed to leave their output policy unchanged, and as the US barred Chevron from exporting Venezuelan crude. Investors previously anticipated members of OPEC Plus would agree to a production increase later this week. GameStop, the US video game and consumer electronics retailer, has confirmed its first Bitcoin investment, acquiring 4,710 Bitcoin. The announced acquisition is GameStop's first publicly acknowledged Bitcoin purchase since the company disclosed plans to move into Bitcoin investment in March.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 1.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.9% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.3% against the dollar. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.